Hey guys, and welcome back. It's been a while, but we're back out on the trail again. Welcome back to Walt Disney World, guys. Today we're over here at the All-Star Sports Resort, as you guys can see around here. All the team banners up on top. We're actually sitting at the football section, so if you guys remember the big football field, that's right on the opposite side of the building. Today we're on the back side, and we're right behind the Grand Slam pool section. So this is the pool that's all the way down. It's got the Goofy in the middle of it with the big cannon in the middle, firing the ball out. So that's where that is. So we're coming on down here. I'll show you where these rooms are. They're all done in different colors, really pretty colors out here. We happen to be staying at the yellow one today. So I'm actually gonna hand the key off here. This is the keys you get when you guys are checking in. They're gonna give you these to get in the room, or they're gonna give you the magic bands, but you're gonna be buying the magic bands nowadays. But right now it's the key. I'm gonna give it to Marley, and we're gonna walk you guys through one of the rooms. Here you go, Marley. Let me take that from you. Yep, I got it. All right. All right, so Marley's got the key card right now. She's gonna get us on in. You just tap the door, it turns green, open up and you're in, 118. Now, as you guys notice, we've already been in the room. So right now, as you guys are greeted, you got the old television on the wall there. See our name? It keeps catching me. That's why it took me a minute there for a second. But last name, Finally Right. They usually have the 2 Z's, and finally, they have our family name fixed after probably about a decade of coming here, which is crazy. So as you can see, it's me and it's Marley right there. So she's gonna be operating the camera a little bit. And now this room, it happens to be a holiday right now. So as you guys can see, this room's a little bit different than what we're used to coming into. So this one, I've got a handicap accessible one right now. So right now the bed's a little lower. You see there's no Murphy wall or no Murphy bed on the wall there. Usually they have the bed that flips up into the wall with a table on it. This one's a permanent mount. You still got Mickey, Donald, and you got Minnie Mouse right there, but they're the only thing there, it's a permanent mount bed, so they don't have Huey, Dewey, and Louie on the back when it flips up. Now you still got your area where you can put your luggage, you can put your laptops and stuff like that. You got your little mini fridge, your coffee machine, air conditioner in the corner. And as you guys are walking in, we're gonna show you the difference between the 2 rooms. Now, if you guys are familiar with any of the videos we posted, they have the doors separating the bathroom from the actual room. So here, no door, you've got this little little curtain there. See that curtain, Marley? Show them how it works. You're just gonna pull that across, and there it goes, but that's pretty much it. You could open it back up. Here's your little bathroom. I call it a bathroom ed. So it's a little small. Outside, you're gonna get all dressed, cleaned up, ready to go to the parks or whatever you guys are doing while you're here, while the other person's inside usually showering, going to the bathroom, stuff like that. But there's your bathroom, and this is what makes this room a little bit unique. So see the tub's a little bit lower than usual, and you've got the little hanger over there for your towel. So this is an accessible room. Now, I don't really have a problem with the room, so I wanted to get up here this weekend, so me and Marley came up. I wanted to do something with her, so we came up for the holiday, and this is what they had available this weekend. So we jumped on it. Now, there is one more thing when you guys come in here. Obviously, you got your telephone, but over here, this is like an Alexa, but it's the Disney version of it. So here's the little book to the side of it, and you're gonna say when you come in here, watch this thing, "Hey Disney." See how it lights up? Now this guy's your friend. When you're here, you're just gonna open up your book, and you can organize your whole day. You can book just about anything, set up your room, your entertainment, an alarm clock. So it's kind of like an Alexa, but it's a Disney version, so that's pretty cool. But all in all, this is it. We're over here once again at the All-Star Sports Resort. Marley, let me hand you over the camera quick. So one more time, we're back out here again, guys. We're having a good weekend up here. So if you guys are around, you see us in the travels, don't be afraid to come up, say hi and stuff like that. But we're back out again, trying to make it happen out there, give you guys a little tour of some of the stuff going on in Walt Disney World. It's good to be back out again. We missed you guys, missed being out here. But hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we will see you guys in the next one.